Hello, this is Vicki Simons with TruckDriversMoneySavingTips.com. We're excited about the Truckers Savings Journalists program we've launched on our site because the content that journalists write and publish can help other truckers save money and allow the journalists to earn a little something in return. Of course, the first step to becoming a Trucker Savings Journalist is to apply through the application form online. The three types of content we seek to help truckers save money are articles, free-form reviews, and formed reviews. During the application process, we ask you to select a primary topic or beat to cover as a Trucker Savings Journalist. You can write on any type of content we seek, but we request that you write primarily in the topic area you chose. In this video, we're going to show you how to publish articles and free-form reviews as a Trucker Savings Journalist. First, pitch an idea for an article or free-form review to us through the pitch form online. This step of pitching and approving article and free-form review ideas is designed to make sure that all content is solidly about truckers saving money. Once you've pitched an idea to us and we have approved it, write your content. After you've written your content, pre-submit it with your Google AdSense info and byline info through our pre-submission form. This step makes sure we always have your current information. Then submit your content and up to 4 photos with captions through our submission form. We'll combine the info from your pre-submission and submission forms to make a page with your content and your ad. That's it. The more content you write, the more money truckers who read your content can save, and the more money you can earn from your ads. We look forward to reading and publishing the articles and free-form reviews that you write and submit through the Truckers Savings Journalists program on TruckDriversMoneySavingTips.com.